Good morning, everybody. So here we are on board Holland America's Koningsdam, sailing from Vancouver Island to Honolulu, Hawaii. So last night was an adventure. We had gale force winds and swells of 20 feet. So that meant the boat was rocking and shaking all night long. So it was kind of fun to watch some of the people that don't have sea legs walking around and see how they do in rough seas. So we enjoyed that. Then we just kind of hung out in the room and watched movies all day because you really couldn't get up and do anything. So there was probably no one dancing in the dance halls tonight or last night because it was a little too rocky. But you know what, that's okay, and that's kind of expected on a cruise. So I want to show you where we're at on the map so you can see where we're at. We're kind of just west of Vancouver Island toward the top. So let's check out the map and then we're going to go upstairs. Okay, so the sea has calmed down, so that's good. So we can finally walk around the ship and feel like we're not going to fall over. Maybe. Still a little rough out there, but not as bad as it was. That's okay. So what I want to do now is just show you a tour of our cabin after it's been lived in. So this is what a cruise ship cabin looks like after living in it. And then I'll show you a picture after the room steward takes care of it. Okay, this is our cabin after living in it in the morning. So this is after last night. We didn't mess it up too badly. We got laundry on my bed because it's been several days. I had breakfast in my room this morning because I went and got a massage at 8 a.m. which was way too early, but it felt so good. So I had them deliver breakfast so I didn't have to deal with the Lido. So that's still there. My bed's messed up. And now I want to show you what the room looks like after our room steward takes care of it. Okay, I just showed you the room after it looked lived in, and now here's cleaned up. Look, and they even made us a towel animal. How cute is that? All the junk is on my desk now. Our sofa's clean. The beds are made up. There's our towel animal. And everything looks good. Back to being beautiful. And you can see it's still a little rough out there, but it's not as bad as it was. So no one's falling around the halls, but the barf bags are still out, which is kind of funny. I hope nobody got sick. Yikes. Almost fell over. Oh. While they were out cleaning our room, I went and made a video. So my fraternity brothers are having an alumni cruise in 2023, and it's going to be on the same ship. So I went around and made a short little TikTok video that I can share to the Facebook group that everybody can see, and hopefully get them to book the trip, because that'll be a lot of fun if all the alumni go on that. So let me show you the video that I made. Alright, so it's raining and there's nothing to do in my cabin, so what I'm going to do is go upstairs and show you the pools. So let's see what the pools look like in rough seas. I thought there would be more sloshing in the pool. It's a little bit rocky out today, and it feels like I'm rocking back and forth when I'm in the halls, but apparently the pool says it's pretty calm. So they do have a net on top of the pool as a precaution. So when there's a net on top of the pool, that means that they absolutely do not want anybody in that pool, because you could really get hurt if you were in there and it started sloshing around. Imagine getting tossed from one side of the pool to the other and hitting the wall. No fun. Anyway, it's way too cold out today for people to be in the pool, so stay inside, everybody, where it's warm. It's too cold out here for me, so let's go back inside and warm up. Well, I found where everybody's at on the ship. They're all at the Lido pool. So I don't know if you can tell, but in this video, every single chair has something on it, or somebody's on it. And that's on both levels. So there's level 9 and level 10. And all the lounge chairs are full of people and their stuff. So the ship does have the net over the pool to keep everybody out. Safety first, right? They don't want anybody going in there and getting hurt when the waves start sloshing around. Anyway, it's a good day to lay at the pool. And those are the pools in a storm. It's kind of rocky here. Let's walk safely. Those are the pools in a storm. I'm gonna go down to the room now and go to dinner. Ladies at the spa told us that tonight is formal night, so guess what? I gotta run back to the room and get my dress clothes out because we have to look nice for a formal night. So here we go, and then we'll go to dinner. Looking good. Let's walk down this long hallway. This is a long hallway and it's kind of a little rocky, so I'm holding on to the rail as we go. I'm not drunk, that's the way it is. We're trying to hang on as the ship rocks. It's our first formal night on board the ship, and I had shrimp cocktail, shrimp and grits, delicious, and a hot fudge sundae. Yum, yum. It was a good formal night. All right, well that was our dinner. So it's been a good day on board the ship. The rocking and the rolling of the waves has slowed down, so it's only kind of rocking, but not as bad as it was last night. That was crazy. So tonight, I think what I'm gonna do is just go to the casino and hopefully win some money. Maybe next time I see you guys, I'll be a millionaire. Anyway, have a good night. And on that note, we'll see you tomorrow and see what adventure is going to happen on board the ship. And we'll do a tour of somewhere else on the ship too. So on that note, thank you once again. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And see you tomorrow. Good night.